Hey guys, it's Leah B from Prestige Veteran Medical Consulting. I am a U.S. Army veteran, physician assistant, and former compensation and pension examiner. So today I want to come on and discuss a topic that is sort of in the series of videos that we've been doing recently that doesn't relate directly to service-connected disabilities, but are some of the benefits and entitlements that veterans can receive when they have a service-connected disability. So we've done videos on dental benefits, vision benefits, things like specialty adaptive automobile allowances and clothing allowance. So if you haven't seen those, I would highly recommend that you go check them out. Also, I think we've done a video on community care, which is something a lot of veterans use, but a lot of veterans don't know about. So today's video is going to be about the foreign medical program. So this might be surprising to some of you guys, but there are quite a few veterans that live outside of the United States, right? So we've got veterans all over the world, and they're entitled to VA disability and the benefits that go along with this. So VA has this program that we're going to talk about today that some of those veterans living overseas may either know about, or if they don't know about, should know about, so that they can get some services. All right. So going over to VA.gov, I always brag on VA.gov because I think it's such a great resource for veterans to really get the down and dirty on what are the facts of whatever the program is. So like, what are the down and dirty facts? Who are the point of contacts? How do you apply for it? What do you do if you have additional questions? I think that VA.gov does a really great job of providing short and concise information about different programs. Okay, so let me pull this up really quick. Okay, so over here at VA.gov, we are at VA.gov/resources/getting care through the foreign medical program. And if you can't remember that, just Google foreign medical care program, VA.gov, and it should pop up for you. Okay. So as you can see here, it sort of outlines the program. So getting care through the foreign medical program. It covers the cost of healthcare you get in a foreign country for service-connected disability. It tells you to keep reading on this page to learn about the benefits, services covered, and how to get care. So the registration link is here, and that, obviously if you follow that link, it's going to take you to the forms that you need. And then finding out how to file an FMP claim is also here. We're not going to go over that today, but those are there for you guys to review if you need to do that. So care and services covered through the foreign medical program. So VA covers care and services that are medically necessary to treat service-connected disabilities. And some of the care is listed here: those outpatient office visits, inpatient care, emergency and urgent care, medical equipment, devices, and supplies that your healthcare provider may prescribe for everyday things like prosthetics, wheelchair, braces, etc. Skilled nursing care, which they define as medical care by licensed providers that help with medicine, wound care, and other recovery and medical needs. Physical therapy, prescription medications that are approved by the FDA, right? So care and services that are not covered through the FMP. So care that isn't accepted by VA or the U.S. medical community, including experimental care that is in care that's not approved by the FDA, long-term care in nursing homes, assisted living facilities, mental health facilities, or adult day health centers, non-medical home care or companion services, medical equipment with deluxe and luxury features like beds, remote controls, stair climbing wheelchairs, health clubs, spas, exercise program memberships, family planning services, and sterilization, gender affirming care. It says that they don't cover care and services received in any of these ways through grants, studies, research programs, in a U.S. state or territory or District Columbia or Puerto Rico, or from a provider or facility barred from the program. That's probably pretty obvious. They also don't cover travel costs for paying bills like postage, late charges, check cashing fees, charges for services, treatments, or supplies that you don't have to pay by law. And then this is a really cool thing. There's like this FAQ, frequently asked questions section, about the foreign medical program. So does it cover dental care? It says that they cover dental care only if the care is to treat a service-connected disability. They may also pay for a dental exam and treatment in cases that are 90 days from discharge, or if the DD-214 shows that you did not get a complete dental exam upon separation from service. COVID-19 vaccines is a yes. And it discusses some of the intricacies of how to file that or get reimbursement for that. Mail order medicines, it says no. Do you need to get a referral or choose an approved provider? No, you can choose any licensed healthcare provider in the foreign country where you live or travel. You don't need a referral. What if my documents are in a language other than English? It says that VA says that they're going to translate those documents into English, but it could delay a claim. So to help process those claims faster, they encourage you to choose a provider who can provide you documents in English. Okay, so that's pretty much it on that fact sheet for foreign medical program. Again, there is how to register. You can go up here and see how to register, and then how to file that claim. Let's see what this takes you to. Yeah, so a whole nother help doc on filing claims, what you need to know before you file a claim, by fax, by mail, etc. Okay, let me jump off this screen share. So I hope this is helpful. I've seen a lot of veterans or spoken with a lot of veterans who are like, it may not be as easy as it is in the US. Like if you're 100% service connected, VA is usually going to provide care for everything, even not service connected disabilities. But in that foreign medical program, what I have heard, again, you might want to check this with a veteran service officer or the VA. If it's not a service connected disability, you're going to have more struggles getting that care paid for by VA. So always, if you have questions, I always throw out the disclaimer that I am not an accredited claims agent or a VSO or an attorney. I'm a medical professional that assists with things, medical opinions related to VA disability claims. But if you need assistance from an accredited legal professional, head on over to VA.gov, and you can use their search tool to find an accredited legal representative in your area to answer questions regarding this or any other claims related matters. So you can also call VA 1-800 number, and they should be able to point you in the direction of someone that can answer questions related to the foreign medical program. I would love to hear from some of you guys if you have experienced the foreign medical program, what your experience and take on that has been, how easy it's been to file those claims or get reimbursement. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and drop some comments if you have any other things that you'd like to see us make some videos on. And see you guys next time.